ચલો આજે મારી સાથે ધોરણ 2 ના સ્ટુડન્ટ લુણાગરિયા વિહાનભાઈ છે. ઇંગ્લિશના વાયવા માટે વિહાનભાઈ રેડી? ચલો સ્ટાર્ટ કરી છી. વોટ ઇઝ યોર નેમ? વોટ ઇઝ યોર ફાધર્સ નેમ? વોટ ઇઝ યોર મધર્સ નેમ? વોટ ઇઝ યોર ગ્રેન્ડફાધર્સ નેમ? What is your grandmother's name? What is your brother's name? What is your sister's name? What is your uncle's name? What is your auntie's name? What is your neighbor's name? What is your village name? What is your taluka's name? What is your district's name? What is your state capital's name? What is your state country's capital's name? What is the country's name? What is your planet's name? What is your friend's name? What is your favorite teacher's name? What is your favorite subject's name? What is your favorite color's name? What is your favorite vegetable's name? What is your favorite fruit's name? Apple. What is your favorite flower's name? What is your favorite game's name? What is your favorite movie's name? What is your favorite actor's name? What is your favorite festival's name? What is your father's occupation?
My father's occupation is office.
Do you like mango?
Yes, I like mango.
Do you like potato?
Yes, I like potato.
Do you like monkey?
Yes, I like monkey.
Do you like car?
Yes, I like car.
Do you like rose?
Yes, I like rose.
Do you like Navratri?
No, I don't like Navratri.
Do you like square?
Yes, I like red.
Do you like Punjabi dish?
Yes, I like Punjabi.
ખૂબ સરસ વિહાનભાઈ.